Unlock seamless control and precision with AUX controls. Discover top-tier control solutions with AUX controls, your trusted partner for innovative, high-performance control systems. Whether you're in the market for advanced control panels, sophisticated automation systems, or reliable manufacturing controls, we've got you covered. Why choose AUX controls? Expertise you can trust. With years of industry experience, we offer custom control solutions tailored to meet your exact needs. Comprehensive solutions. From design and manufacturing to support, our comprehensive services ensure your project is a success from start to finish. Cutting-edge technology. Stay ahead of the curve with our state-of-the-art control systems featuring programmable controllers and human-machine interfaces that deliver unparalleled precision and reliability. Our offerings: custom control panels, designed to meet your unique specifications with top-quality components. Automation solutions. Enhance efficiency and productivity with our bespoke automation systems. Field services. Ensure optimal performance by having us handle your toughest problems through advanced troubleshooting techniques and industry expertise. Transform your operations with AUX controls. Visit auxiliarycontrols.com today and discover the power of precision engineering.